In this video, I'll show you how to add text to your TikTok videos. So if you have recorded a video on your phone and you want to add it to TikTok, however, you want to add text, let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your App Store. Here, you're searching for TikTok and making sure it's been updated to the latest version. Now, once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Here, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign to post a video. From here, you can go ahead and tap on Upload at the bottom right. Tap on the Videos tab. Go ahead and find a video that you want to post. Tap on Next. On this editing screen, to add a text to this video, go ahead and find the text icon, which is right here. Now from here, you can go ahead and enter in your text. You've got different styles which you can choose from. You can move it anywhere you like. If you tap on the text, you have the option to choose text to speech. You can set the duration, or you can edit this text again. So text to speech will basically speak whatever you've written. Set duration will allow you to choose how long you want that text to appear on screen, and edit will let you edit the text. And now once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and tap on Next, and that will basically add text to your TikTok video. And there you go. That is how to add a text to your TikTok video. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.